What's up, Kelly gang? I'm back with another video. Today's title is how to make an intro.
For money that's calm, teenage never worry about acne. Nah, I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I add it to the tally. Madison button calling her Maddie. Like nuts try send me the addy. What's the right and the left at the alley? Like you don't look too shabby.
So I went on CapCut and added a photo. Then went on video effect, went on basic, added camera shake, and then adjusted the speed to my liking. Then I wanted a blink to have that nice falling stars effect. If you see how nice it is, and then one of the stars. Then I add Utopia, really nice butterflies. Then I added back a photo, went on animations and choose that effect, like how you see it coming in and out. It's really nice. Then I repeated the same thing, added more photo, animations, and had an effect. Then I went on text and had a little animation effect. And then I went on sticker, that little pop smoke effect as you see there. It looked really nice. Okay, so I added a photo, then put the layer of the Instagram that I screen recorded over it as you could see. And then I upsize it to how I wanted it as you can see. And then after I added a plain photo, right? So I added a pink downloaded pink plain photo, and I think it's optical, and I just take it down, tune it down to my liking. And I press overlay and I added a photo. Then I press animations and press in and added the animation shake 1 or horizontal to have that nice effect. As you can see, it's really nice, like how we just now saw there. Alright, see, watch how nice, really nice. And then after, I believe I added a next photo and repeated the same thing. So I wanted on mood, add effect transformation, but I was still looking, wasn't sure, and I added that really nice effect. Then I wanted a butterfly effect, so I really looked for a butterfly effect. Well, I was really trying to figure it out. Then I added Instagram, cropped it out, added animation, add in shake. Right, then after the next Instagram, a little lower down, adjust it, add that effect, shake again. Then same thing, added the Instagram, added animated, had that shake effect. As you can see, it's really nice. And then I added the subscribe and click to have that really nice effect. As you can see, make it look like a clicking. Then I did the same thing, added the Instagram, added that effect, clicked animation. It was really nice. I added a background photo, trending, taking that shake effect, take a next video effect, which was playing, one of the play. As you could see, to add that shake, adjusted it, add a photo, click animations, adjusted the speed, added moods to add a nice effect of the colorful butterflies as you could see. Then went on subscribe, stickers of course, and add that little animated effect, added the next photo, same animated effect. As you can see, it looks really nice. And this subscribed, and I went on music and added my music after and adjusted everything, and that was it, guys. There's the result.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too?